ASICORP piping and its product, SIDGMAN, the welded flange. The pipelines are built by joining together one pipe after the other, coated on both the inside and outside with an anti-corrosive coating. During this assembly, the traditional welding system would completely and irreversibly destroy the internal coating, leaving multiple areas prone to premature corrosion, which negatively impacts the service life of these pipelines and becomes the system's weak point. Hence, once the welding is finished, the internal coating needs to be repaired, which in practice never works well, and the result is far inferior to the original factory coating. The problem of the internal coating carbonization that affects the pipe joints during the construction of the pipelines is universal, and to date has now been resolved. The SIDGMAN flange offers a total and comprehensive solution to the problem, leading to significant savings during both construction and operation. The SIDGMAN flange is a type of welded joint formed by two parts, one male and one female. The female part contains a hole housing an O-ring for high pressures. Both parts are solid steel, so they keep their shape over the pathway of the pipeline and boast a continuous guide that facilitates the movement between them during assembly. The system includes a stop to get to the final fits, leaving an exact and continuous separation of 2 to 2.5 millimeters, which is where the final welding is performed in the field. Each part has 4 holes to allow the welding fumes to escape, and so that the mechanical protection caps can be attached to each end of the pipes. The pipes should be aligned in the field so that the male end of one pipe is facing the female end of the next. To weld these terminals, it is only necessary to align and tighten them until there is a separation of 2 to 2.5 millimeters between them, using a pneumatic machine that is part of the design. Once the joint has been welded, the internal coating of the pipe remains intact and undamaged. Given that the SIDGMAN flange is a maintenance-free or little maintenance product, it provides important benefits and savings to the operation. The traditional system weakens the joints areas, while the SIDGMAN flange strengthens them mechanically. The corrosion caused by the traditional welding system in the joints is controlled with inhibitors dissolved in the water carried by the pipe, which increases the cost and complexity of the operation. The SIDGMAN flange eliminates the need of inhibitors. In the traditional system, the welding is done directly on the pipe, leaving areas affected by the heat, which are anodic and prone to premature corrosion. With the SIDGMAN flange, the welding is done on the flange itself and not on the pipe, preventing any anodic centers prone to corrosion from forming. With the SIDGMAN flange, only a visual inspection is required without the need for X-rays or special equipment as in the traditional welding system. The SIDGMAN flange significantly increases the service life of the line, enhances operational reliability, and enables the joint zones to behave as a unified system so that they cease to be weak points that compromise the current layouts. The SIDGMAN flange provides a unique benefit that no other system can offer.